Welcome back to 90 Days to Fitness. You're with Danny Kaz, naturopathic doctor and personal trainer. Today our topic is metabolic gears. Well, what does that mean? That means that we have three primary energy systems, three of them, that we use when we're training. This is going to relate back to insulin sensitivity. This is going to relate back to muscle fiber recruitment and what type of exercise you choose, your mind and the muscle connection, and what gear you're in depending on what type of training that you're doing. Gear 1 is your ATP-PC system, which means adenosine triphosphate. This is cellular energy. It is the universal cellular energy made in the mitochondria of your cells. PC stands for phosphocreatine, which means phosphates and creatine being utilized to make ATP. This is interchangeable. This is high power burst training. Gear 2, like a deadlift, in other words, that's what that is. Gear 2 is your anaerobic lactic acid energy system. This is simple. You're picking some exercise that you start to you start to feel major amounts of lactic acid in your body. That's your tapping into Gear 2. That means without oxygen, anaerobic. Aerobic obviously means with oxygen. So if you're in Gear 3, this is more long endurance training. You really don't tap into lactic too much. You're mostly utilizing oxygen for the whole time that you're training. That's your aerobic system. Now, all three of these and how you implement them and stagger them and stack them during a training routine is something that you can find on our Facebook page. You click on our link on our Facebook page and it will show you various routines of how you tap into all of these three, which drain massive amounts of carbohydrate from your body, creating insulin sensitivity and enhancing fat loss. So click on our link on our Facebook page and you can find some further detailed information on how this all works. But these are your three primary, and if your trainer's not telling you this, he doesn't know what he's doing, sorry to say. And that's about it. Thank you for listening, and remember, there are no shortcuts.